2006 Subaru Impreza, single overhead cam 2.5. Today, we are going to do plugs, both sides, wires, because I'm not a big fan of these aftermarket blue ones, and we're also going to try to do a leak down and compressor test. There we go. Don't break. Oh, lovely. Get this out of the way for now. Way. Some little overspray. You off. You out of the way. Oh, have I ever even checked the filter? I don't know. Yeah, all. Wire number 1 and number 3. A little bit tighter. We'll get them out of the way. Pop this off. Clean. Take me out. Alright. Take this bracket out. Take these popping plugs out first. You know, try to feel them. But you don't want to just blast your cordless on there. Plug. I'm pretty sure this one just looked like 2. Idiot. Big thing on it. I'm not a big fan of that. I need to be careful with this hook prop. Let's see. This engine. My tools. But basically what you're going to need is a breaker wire with a 22 so you can rotate the engine. We're going to rotate it clockwise. And we're going to rotate the engine by hand, make sure it's not in gear. So it is going to be loaded with PSI, so if you're not directly on top. Why are we going to put gloves on? Because it's going to give us a visual indication of air leaking. One on the intake manifold, one on the exhaust pipe, and one on the oil fill. Put a glove on the filler. Get some air to this, and we'll see. Alright, so we'll let it sit for a second, but we're just over 100 psi. Oh, for a leak, we'll hit it with a... Okay. That's okay. So... Okay, a good indication that we're on it. Okay. You know what, I'm going to check one thing. Oh, okay. There we go. To see something, because I was like, there's no way. I mean, I should have turned that down. Likely be on. We'll do okay. Let's feel for the air to escape. What do we got? Tell me. Show me. Cranking it now. Check the exhaust. I have a feeling we're gonna have more. Cylinder 2 checks out. maybe 10 years? No, close. Blowing out. If you're dumb like me and forget to put air to it. Yo, those valves I'm very pleased with, to be honest. All right, let's see. Compression tests on this side. Okay. All right, so, okay, compression, crank, okay, crank. Very happy. All right. All right, so compression test. We're going to be reading compression out of cylinder 1 right now. All right, you guys keep an eye on the gauge. Let me know what it reads, and then we'll do it 2 or 3 times, and then go from there. Looks good. I don't know. You tell me. 200. I lied. It's like 190. Oh yeah, we'll go with 190. Do one more. Like, let's say 200. That feels good. We don't have a drastically low number just yet, so. The other one was like 195, 180. So. All right, yeah, like 190, 185, 190. One was like 195, 90 to 195. And then 3 was like 185 to 190. Let's see what 2 and 4 read. Let's put the tool in, and you guys can let me know. Okay. We're at 180. All right, so it looks good, 180. $175, 180. Show me the money. Okay. I mean, I did give 1 extra gallop, but we were looking at 190. Cool. All right, what do we got? 190. We got, I don't know. We got okay leakage everywhere. There's a little bit of blow by the cranks. That's fine. Numbers look decent. 185, 185 to 190. Healthy. All right, new plugs. So, Subaru 06 Impreza, released for my car, calls for NGKR's FR5 AP11. Looks like part number 22401AA65A. According to the parts catalog. Just kind of drop them in. If you ever drop a spark plug, do not use it. And always double check that you have the right plug. So just verifying all the right plugs, they all go in the right home. And yes, you're asking, is there a torque value to spark plugs? Absolutely. I don't know it. So I'm gonna go by feel. You know? Get them started by hand and then kind of just be gentle with them. Okay, so we have good feeling on them. Ideally, I'd like a 5-inch extension. This one's a little bit too long. Always starting by hand. And then we'll do final by hand. All right. Hopefully these are the right ones. I always get the wrong wires. But it looks like SOA 430Q124 for OEM ones. Alright, so with the nice thing about the OEM wires is because they're labeled. Right? Yep, labeled. So we got cable 2, it's right here. So we kind of lay them out. 4, 2, then we'll bring 1 and 3. So 1 will feed up through here. Ideally, you'd like to use some silicone spray to make sure you have a good and make sure you have them in the right spot. So 3, 3, 1. This one. And he gave me this time. I'm not as jumpy. And 4. Yeah, it's okay. You're good. Clipped. 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 This is 4. Yep. Zing these coil pack bolts on. That's snug. Oops. That's snug. That's snug. Hose back on. This is where my story ends. Taken out by a hood prop. When you pop it in the wrist, you know it's tight. I don't know. It's nice to just put your hands on bolts. Clean the air filter. That's clean, brand new. Make sure you're sealed properly. You know it's sealed properly when it tries to eat your gloves. Make sure you're still there with me. Alright. Do that. It's at home. The hose for the other valve cover. Is this backwards? It is. I think it's like a weird like resonator. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Out of the way. Batteries are so heavy. I'm gonna put your... Make sure you have a battery tied on, people. You won't pass tech. I don't know what you saw, but I put everything back together. Cool. She starts. New plugs, new wires. Leak down compression test good. Loud on this side, but that's fine. That's going to be a thing I want to tear into at some point. Thanks for hanging. Hopefully it comes out okay. Camera died a few times, which is unfortunate, but hey, it's okay. We're here. You guys get the gist of it. But yeah, it's weird doing this whole plug thing. It's like, you know, I just want to work on cars, but like, cars are expensive, as you guys know, so show the love. Show each other some love, but show the channel some love. Show the Instagram some love. Show your homies some love. Show everybody some love. But swing by Proto page, Proto.Technica, Proto.Technica on Instagram, and come say hi. And yeah, this is fun in a weird way. I just want to show you guys this car. Like, I'm just a nerd about it, you know. I'm not a great tech. I'm average, I think, at best. So, but if I could show you something cool that I think is cool, I'm gonna, and we'll talk about it and watch me break it, and then watch me fix it, and then break it again, and then yeah, I don't know. We'll go from there. Stay tuned for fun stuff. You know the spiel. What is it? What do they say? Like, comment, subscribe.